Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and this is the initial installation of the Samsung Galaxy Note9, the 512GB version. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so let's just start up with the start screen.
Once you read and agree to these, we can really
Alright, this one is optional. Alright.
We need to verify your information before activating your phone.
So we gotta get a PIN, because I do have this on Verizon.
We need to verify your information before activating your phone.
Oh wow, this is crazy. Alright guys, so I'm on my Wi-Fi, checking for updates. Let's see exactly what happens here. Okay, so it's asking for my Google information. Let me just type that in. Okay guys, so we're signed in on Gmail. Now it's asking if I want to set up the iris scan, the face scan, intelligence scan, which is basically your face and the iris at the same time. I could do that later. I said no thanks. Skip anyways. Google Assistant, skip that. Skip that, agree to that. Adding finishing touches.
Email setup.
It's
You're almost done.
alright, hit skip, 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 skip. And there you go guys. Here we go, the Samsung Galaxy Note9. As you guys can see, I do have a tempered glass that I just installed. Let's see how much storage is out the box. I know that I just had a question from Sage Tech. He just asked me how much storage is in this one. So storage out the box, let's see. System user data, 50 gigs are being used out the box. Let's focus in on that. Alright, so out the box, you're using 50 gigs. What is the 50 gigs being used on? So that must be the actual data and all that stuff like that. Let's see. Okay, so 50 gigs of data. So your system has 50 gigs of data, and the apps are self-explanatory. And let's see what you get installed in the Verizon one. So you have your Google apps, News, Samsung, Verizon, Android Pay, Samsung apps, YouTube, Facebook just installed. Don't know why. Alright guys, so this is the initial installation of the Samsung Galaxy Note9 by Verizon Wireless. And you saw how much storage is actually being used out the box. Almost 50 gigs of storage. I'll probably have to delete some bloatware. But for a Galaxy Note device, I am not shocked that you use 50. But I didn't really check how much is actually available though. So available, I have 462.3 gigabytes available. So 50 is not an issue for me. I just got this to see how the 8 gigabytes of RAM will be. So if you guys actually picked up the Note9, let me know which model did you get. Or if you didn't pick up the Note9, why didn't you pick it up? Alright guys, this is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe if you can. This is the installation of the Samsung Galaxy Note9. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.